Breaking news coming in regard to a shootout that's taken place in the United States. We're talking about a mass shooting incident that's being reported from the Carolina beach town. At least 11 people have been injured in South Carolina. This is an incident that took place late last night, and authorities are confirming this attack that took place in the South Carolina area, while the injured are being were rushed to the hospital. Radhika, so this is breaking news coming in regard to this mass shootout that's taken place.
That's right. Unfortunate incident there, shooting occurring around 9:30 p.m. is what we are being given to understand. This happened along a largely residential stretch near the Intercoastal Waterway, which also houses a few boating businesses. So as of now, what we know is that at least 11 people have been taken to hospitals after this shootout. We're joined by Disha. Disha, any details on what exactly led to shooting? Who are the suspects? Has any information been given by the authorities yet? And what about the condition of the injured?
Radhika, this is definitely a developing story, and in terms of the details, very little is known as of yet. So far, the authorities have just said that this is a mass shooting incident. However, they have said that this is believed to be an isolated incident, and they have not established any links to any possible terrorist activity. So that is what we know so far. In terms of the condition of the 11 people who were rushed to the hospital after this mass shooting event, a little is known regarding the condition of their life as of yet, but they are saying that so far the situation is under control. The police has said that so far there is no risk to the community at this time, and they have just rushed the 11 individuals who are believed to have been injured in this incident to the nearby hospitals. And in terms of the broader context of this story, really, the fact that this just comes roughly days after a brutal shooting as well in Washington DC, where 2 Israeli embassy workers were also tragically killed, and it really highlights the epidemic of gun violence that has been growing in the US over the past couple of years. And so far, in terms of the details, as I mentioned, it's an isolated event is what the police department is saying, and very little is known as to who could be some of the possible suspects. They have not yet revealed any details on the possible suspects, so that is some details that are yet to be seen, but a developing story, and we'll keep bringing you the latest.